So I'm not going to program it all, but I'm going to show you what the professional uh, um, options are that we would use in this particular case. One of the first things is stock from selection. So we'll select our stock, and we're going to use the stock from selection, which means that in our stock, then we can see the actual holes. Let's go ahead and turn this off. Okay, so you see you see your actual alignment pin location, so they're visible for you. Also, if you have any kind of exterior clamping, or if you've got anything on top of this fastener, you can model those, and you can either add those as a stock, or you can go ahead and add those as a fixture geometry. But the stock from selection just allows you to get more information into your stock model. Okay, so we did the stock from selection. Um, Facing, let's just go ahead and we're just going to just show you those. We're going to go through. These are all the operations we did in the standard.